I'm going to show you how to make this crispy barbecue tofu, which you can eat as a steak or in a sandwich like this. Look at how it slices. Delicious. You will need 1 brick of medium firm tofu cut into 6 slices, 1 cup full fat coconut milk, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons hot sauce, 2 teaspoons onion powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 cup all-purpose flour. I'm using gluten-free, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 3 tablespoons dry rub, 2 cups unseasoned breadcrumbs, and 1 cup barbecue vegan chips crushed. Whisk together the coconut milk, apple cider vinegar, hot sauce, onion powder, and salt. Transfer to a deep dish. And place your tofu slices. Mix together the flour, cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of rub seasoning. Combine the breadcrumbs, the crushed vegan barbecue chips, and 1 tablespoon of the dry rub seasoning. Take a tofu slice from the marinade and place it in the flour. Toss to coat evenly. Dip it in the marinade a second time. And place it in the mixture with the flour and the chips. Place them on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake for about 20 minutes at 350. Turn over and bake for another 20 minutes. Crispy barbecue tofu.